In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn gems in Cash Giraffe. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, in order to do that is go ahead and download and install Cash Giraffe. And then from here, we're going to be taken to the Discover tab. And now in order to earn your gems, which you can see how many you got on the top right-hand corner of the page. So I've currently got 2,199. In order to earn more of those gems, just scroll down and then play these games. So there's all these different types of games we can play, and you can also see how many gems you're going to, on average, you can get per task, and a total of how many gems you can earn by playing that particular game. So if you keep scrolling down, just go ahead, simply play these games. And then if we want to go ahead and see, so for this one here, the brain test, tricky puzzles, if we go in and click on details, we can see a little bit more information about how many gems we can earn. So it will say challenge your mind with brain tests, tricky puzzles, solve fun brain bending riddles and clever puzzles to test your logic and creativity. So it will say complete the task below and receive rewards for each of them, and you can see how many. So if we reach level 5, we'll get 85 gems. Reach level 50, we'll get 339, and you can earn more gems the higher levels you reach in these games.